Now in this session, I will talk about the basic three text functions: length, left, and right. So we have this value with us, Monica, and we want to take the length of it. How to go ahead with this? LEN, you do not need to write the full spelling. We will just write LEN and we will give the text as argument and close the bracket. So it says this value has 6 characters. So basically, length function gives the length of the this input. Okay, now I want to find out the left 4 characters of this value. So left, this is my text, and how many characters I want from the left hand side? 4. It says CHIT. In case I'm saying 6, for example, it says Chitra. 6. So basically we can break any text from left and right using left and right functions. So what right function does? Right, open the bracket, give the text and mention that from the right I want 2 characters. It will give YA. So basically it is very easy to bifurcate or divide or pull some part of the text using left and right function, and length function gives us the length. So these are the basic 3 text functions.